Welcome to Programming ABC. Today I show how to make a color picker using Python tkinter. Python. I use Python 3.7.2 and I will make this color picker using page GUI builder, tkinter page GUI builder. This is the user interface. Scale 3 scale, red scale, green scale and blue scale. Hex color for web color code. Red color value, green color value and blue color value. Hex color, make this font, use sans font 11, style bold. Okay, make this same method and add a canvas 1, and now we add command scale 1 command red slider slider change sense red slider sense. Make this something more, red slider sense and throughout color red color, and this is the green slider command grwn green slider slider change sense green slider sense and throat color green. These are the command blue slider slider change sense blue slider sense throat color blue, and these are the 1 to 100 0 থেকে 100, but you make this 255 0 255 255 0 to 255, and now set variable hex value, text variable hex value আর text variable r value, grain value, g value, and these are the b value, blue value. Now file, save, generate Python GUI, save this, and generate support module, save. Color picker, now run this. This is our 0 to 255 green and blue value. These are not sense. Now we write code. Blue slider sense, green slider sense, red slider sense, and first init on activated activated on activated def on activated on activated hex hex value dot set single quote hash 0000060 number code and single quote close bracket close w dot canvas canvas 1 dot configure configure background background equal ACX hex value value hex value dot get hex value this and background this value r value dot set r value dot set w dot scale 1 dot get and copy this paste r value, g value, green value and blue value scale 2 and scale 3. Now run this our project on activated. These are the black color code. These are not working. Now we write this event. At first red slider sense r value dot set w dot scale 1 dot get rv or rr int. We just need a number, integer type value for this, and r value string value not accepted, or it shows error. R value dot get copy this, paste. We need green value integer number or format, and blue color. G green value, B blue value. RGB equal first bracket RR comma GG comma BB. These three number, integer number. hexa equal if single quote hash second bracket RGB third bracket 0 third bracket close clone 0 to x second bracket close second bracket copy this line, paste 1 2x second bracket 2x and second single quote close. ACX hex value hex value dot set hex value dot set ACX hexa w dot canvas canvas 1 dot configure configure background background equal is a hex value dot get. Now we run this, check it working or not. Red slider sense it's working properly, and this value sense with slider position it's working. Now copy this and green slider G value scale this scale 2. Now check again, green slider working or not. Green slider value sense and color and value both are sense, and now blue slider control V, three, blue value set B value, and these are okay. Now run. Slider position and slide color value, these are working. Web color, hex color, by this you can easily make your own color picker app using Python Thinker. It is easy and completely free. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel.
Thank you.